Here are some tips and tricks when using the Gasmate 3-way fridges. Firstly, night before, connect it to mains power, help it cool down before you go travelling the next day. Make sure your units are in a well ventilated area. You need to have 100mm clearance on each side and 100mm on the back, with a 500mm clearance at the top here to allow for any ventilation and hot air to get out. These fridges operate on ambient temperature, so they will cool between 20 and 25 degrees below the outside temperature. So if you have them in direct sunlight, they're not going to cool that well. Try to avoid putting warm or hot food in these fridges. This will affect how well it cools down. Do not open the fridge more than you need to. We want to avoid all the cool air coming out. Also, when travelling in the car, you can have it connected to your car's cigarette lighter to help cool down while you're travelling to your site. Please do not have it connected to gas while you're travelling in the car. Please remember, these are camping fridges. They are meant for temporary use and not prolonged use. They are not to replace your household appliance. Just remember these tips and tricks and you'll have a lifetime of use out of these great camping fridges.